Hey there, 50 plus champions. You want to keep some impairment away? You know, the brain kind of mild cognitive impairment? Well, I got some ideas for you on how to keep that far away. Hi, I'm Rick Higgins. I am over 50 and I got some opinions on all of that. And we're going to start off today with some research. Now, I know research, boring, dull. Stay with me here a second. It's not all that bad. Did you know that if you engaged in artistic hobbies such as painting, drawing, sculpture in either middle age or old age, well, you're 73% less likely to develop mild cognitive dysfunction later in life. And if you happen to be someone who does pottery, woodworking, quilting, sewing, things like that, you still are 45% better than if you hadn't. So what does that mean exactly? Well, what it means is get a damn hobby, preferably something that's creative. But I don't know what to do. I'm not good at anything. No, I know that's not the way you talk. That was actually the way I talk. And that was my problem in the beginning. I don't really have anything I'm good at. I don't have a hobby. I'm not a woodworker or a this or a that, or there was nothing that I was really good at except for maybe being opinionated. But I can tell you the one thing not to pick. Don't pick someone else's passion, because it's not going to stick. The idea of doing something so that your brain functions better throughout your life, it's not health advice. This is life advice. And if you're going to try to follow what someone else does and does well, why are you living their life? It's not going to work. Find yours. So what is your passion? What is your hobby? Now, I know a lot of people, like my father, for instance, he loves to build things. Build. In fact, he built his own house from the ground up, from the dirt straight up to the ground. For years, he just went out every single weekend and by himself, he built a frickin' house. And then he spent the next several years just working on that house, just studying it, being creative, and what can I add? What can I subtract? It became this monstrosity, but it kept him mentally healthy. And then one day he kind of stopped, and he literally kind of stopped in a lot of ways. I mean, mentally, he became someone else when he stopped having this passion. My own experiences, man, I've tried a whole bunch of stuff. I've tried houses, I've tried historical restorations, I've tried house flipping, none of that. I mean, that's all pure work to me. I can't stand that stuff. I've tried other things, motorcycles for a while, that came close. I mean, I look at other people and go, oh, look, they're really good at that. Oh, I want to do photography. And man, nothing really stuck. And I sat there and went, what can I do? And then I realized I like to do this. I like to talk. I like to research and look things up and be opinionated. And maybe I'm not an expert on anything, but here's kind of the advice I can give to you. I am not an expert on anything. Most YouTubers, hey, I'm a really great cook and I'm going to show you how to make this creme brulee. That ain't me. The only thing I can really do is take other ideas and try to package it creatively and to try to be funny and entertaining. And yeah, so that's my passion. This is my hobby. Don't make it yours unless you're good at it and enjoy it, but the question still remains, what's your passion? Now, nothing in my research has shown that having a hobby, having a passion, is going to help with downrange, longer, bigger term mental pictures, dementia, Alzheimer's. But nothing in my research says that it won't either. It's still, forgive the pun, a very gray area. They just don't know yet. But still, they do know that having hobbies and passions can help with mild cognitive decline. And well, so we don't know what we're going to do about the major stuff yet. We don't know if we can or how to cure it, but we do know how to take care of the minor stuff. And besides, we're young, we're only in our 50s, 60s. We got plenty of time left to take what our passions are and our hobbies and just run with them. Which brings us back to my question yet again. What's your hobby or what's your passion? And if you don't know, I do have one last suggestion for you. I'm looking for some unpaid interns to come here and help in the studio. Just saying. We'll see you next time.